everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we have a fun one. Today we're going to cook with the lotus seed. They're very healthy and really yummy. We're going to make two snacks with them. Caramelized lotus seed or fox seed and spicy fox seed. Now let's make the caramelized fox seed. We're going to make the caramel right now. I'm using jaggery for the caramel. Water. You have to melt it and cook it until it's thick, like caramel. It has thickened, as you can see, everyone. Let's switch it off. The mix, let's take the saucepan. Now, let's heat it up. Add ghee. Now next, let's fry the lotus seed. We are now adding the lotus seed. Now let's fry it. As you can see, soft. It has to be nice and crispy. This is very soft. Now we have to fry it for about 7 to 8 minutes. As you can see here, it's nice and crispy. Just it's a little hot. See? Nice and crispy. So next let's add desiccated coconut. Then we mix. The heat of the pan is enough to mix the lotus seed and the desiccated coconut. Finally, let's add the caramel. Let's add the caramel. That's enough. Now let's mix. Let's take this and mix. Mix until it's coated evenly. And after it's coated evenly, keep it for cooling for about 5 to 10 minutes. Store it in an airtight container. Then you can bring it wherever you want. This is the caramelized lotus seed. Next, let's make Masala Makhana. We're adding fox seeds right now. The pan, we heated it for about 2 minutes. So now you can see the smoke coming out. Now let's dry fry it. I have dry roasted this for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer it into this bowl. After 2 seconds, I'm going to switch off the heat because I don't want the spices to get burnt. So let's switch it off now. First, let's add the oil. First spice is Jeera Powder, chaat masala, black salt, Sesame Seeds, Chilli Powder and Turmeric Powder. Let's mix. Now I'm going to add fox seeds. Let's mix them all together. Mix it. Now I am going to switch on the heat. Put on low heat and I am going to mix it for a while. It's perfectly coated. Now let's switch off. Now let's serve. Now we have the two makhanas ready. We have the caramel makhana and we have the masala makhana. So let's taste. See how crunchy they are. See, they're so crunchy and they're so yummy. And that too, you can bring it wherever you want to have it as a snack. So thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. And do share your recipes with me.